Many people wonder, what kind of company actually needs such a large smart factory? Today, let's explore the brand story of Yanko Ltd., a brand served by Sinotecho, a company whose core business is premium Chinese liquor. In 2025, it ranked among the top 100 Chinese brands by brand value. They have a very well-known product line, the Blue Classic series. This series includes 3 signature products, Ocean Blue, Sky Blue, and Dream Blue. They describe it simply: beyond the ocean is the sky, beyond the sky is ambition. Interestingly, consumers have developed a very simple way to recognize the differences. They judge the value through the packaging. The more sophisticated the packaging, the more premium the product, and over time, an interesting consensus has formed. If you forget the names, remember this: ocean, sky, dream. The further the vision, the higher the value. So, from the perspective of automated production lines, how does this interesting phenomenon manifest itself? We know that, the more premium and refined the packaging, the more complex the manufacturing process behind it. As machines gradually replace manual labor, the more processes become automated, the more sophisticated and comprehensive the production line becomes. As these 3 complete production lines were implemented step by step, what eventually took shape was a fully intelligent manufacturing workshop like this. At the same time, it is easy to imagine, behind the stable operation of multiple production lines, there must be continuous transportation of raw materials, while the large volume of finished packaging products also require secondary packaging and intelligent warehousing. Therefore, AGV logistics systems, collaborative robots, and automated storage systems also become essential parts of the solution. In the end, what we see is a true smart factory ecosystem. Sinotecho focuses on providing one-stop solutions and equipment, helping packaging enterprises achieve modernization, and preparing brands for the challenges of future manufacturing. At the same time, Sinotecho continues to advance the fully digital, end-to-end traceable cloud platform, bringing the vision of visual and transparent lights-out factories within reach. If a smart factory is a dream, you can start by moving closer to the ocean, starting from one automated production line. And if even that feels far away, start with one machine. Please believe smart manufacturing is only a matter of time. Start today, step into the future. Packaging the future, together with Sinotecho.
Next time, we'll take you inside these 3 smart production lines. Stay tuned.